Story here in Chicago. New accusations of vaccine mismanagement. The Chicago Department of Public Health pulling doses from innovative Express Care clinics. City saying they gave out thousands of doses to ineligible patients.
And tonight, WGN's Rob Snead is live in Lincoln Park with the story. Rob?
There's so many different sides to this story. What we do know is that this clinic was one of the largest private vaccine distribution areas here. Now the CDPH claims that the misallocated vaccines were intended for Chicago public school staff and no one else. Tonight, the spokesperson here for the clinic said they are saddened and disappointed.
For me, I have a business in Chicago with 300 people, and the most important thing for me is to get the vaccines, employ these people, get people vaccinated so they can move on in their lives.
A lot has changed since WGN sat down with Dr. Raul Carre with Innovative Express Care just about a week and a half ago. At that time, he said he needed more vaccines or he could be forced to lay off staff. But now, a bigger problem. The Chicago Department of Public Health cut off vaccine supply to the clinic on West Diversey after claiming it misallocated thousands of doses meant for Chicago public school staff. CDPH explains in a statement which reads in part, quote, based on CDPH's review of IEC's vaccine allocation and administration, we have determined that they knowingly misallocated more than 6,000 doses of vaccine, including using vaccine allocated for second doses for first dose appointments instead, end quote. CDPH went on to say that what IEC did was completely unacceptable behavior and that they've identified new providers to take over and administer vaccines for those scheduled to get them at the facility. In response, IEC sent WGN a statement which reads in part, quote, we strongly disagree with the allegations made by the Chicago Department of Public Health stating a misallocation of vaccines intended for CPS staff. As of last week, every CPS staff member had been given an opportunity to be vaccinated. They further said all vaccine doses that were not used by CPS at the end of each week went to other eligible patients for the first dose. The decision by CDPH officials today leaves us bewildered, saddened, and frankly disappointed in our local government. CDPH officials never made it clear to us as a provider that we should be storing vaccines in a refrigerator for people awaiting second doses, end quote. CTU, the Chicago Teachers Union, also sent us a statement that called this a failure on multiple levels from the district, and CPS may want to run an audit on who is doing what with the vaccines. Of course, we will stay on top of this and bring you this as this continues to unfold. Reporting live, Rob Snead, WGN News.
Okay, Rob.